So good morning class. Today 31st October 2020, end of the month, isn't it? So today we are going to summarize two chapters, that is chapter number 6, My Childhood, and chapter number 7, Packing. So first we will start the summary of My Childhood. My Childhood, this is an extract from the autobiography of the Missile Man and late President of India, the most revered Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, so here in this extract, he mentioned a journey of a person from a middle class Muslim family in Rameshwaram to the President House. Means he tried to explain his journey from his childhood to the President of the House. The journey of APJ Abdul Kalam was not such smooth or easy way. Right? It was not an easy way. So he had to struggle and face severe challenges as he moved ahead in his life. In his childhood, he was greatly influenced by his parents, his friends, and his teachers. His father, Jalaluddin, was not educated one, but he was a very generous and a kind person. He was not much rich, but provided a secure childhood to Abdul and his brothers and sisters. Abdul inherited the qualities of honesty and self-discipline from his father and faith in goodness and deep kindness from his mother. He earned his first wages by helping his cousin Samsudin, right, who distributed newspaper in Rameshwaram. So he earned his first wage through this method. He had three close friends. Number one, Ramanand Shastri. Then number two, Arvindam. And number three, Shiv Prakasha. They were all belonging to Orthodox Hindu Brahmin families. In the story, he speaks about a very unfortunate incident that affected him and his friend very badly. A teacher showed discrimination in the classroom by separating him and his close friend just because he was a Muslim boy. The problem was resolved by Ramanand's father, the chief priest of the Rameshwaram temple. Then Abdul was very much influenced by his science teacher, Shiva Subramaniam Iyer. He learned the lesson of breaking social barriers from him. Iyer invited him to his home for a meal. His wife was an Orthodox one, and she refused to serve food to a Muslim boy. So he called ritually, she was actually ritually pure kitchen, she purely Brahmin lady. She doesn't allow Abdul to enter in her kitchen. Iyer served him with his own hands, okay, and sat down beside him to eat his meal. He convinced his wife to serve meal with her own hands, and thus what happened? He was successful in changing conservative attitude of his wife. So we can say that the science teacher has some potentiality to change his life also. For higher education, he sought permission to his father to leave Rameshwaram and study at the district headquarters of Ramananthapuram. His father said, Abdul, I know you have to go away to grow, right? Does the seagull not fly across the sun alone and without a nest? To his hesitant mother quoting Khalil Gibran, he said, your children are not your children. So in this verse quotations, both the parents, Abdul's parents, his father and his mother, they give some quotations to explain. So they told that your children are not your children. They are the sons and daughters of life belonging, longing for itself. They come through you, but not from you. You may give them your love, but not to your thoughts, or they have their own thoughts. It means that human being has their own potential to grow up, to have that one, to rise up. Okay, if we little bit motivate them, if we little bit give some determination or counsel to them, naturally or gradually, day by day, they become rising. So here in this story, My Childhood, in this way, the author, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he just told about this journey, okay, about his childhood like that. So this is a short summary of it. I hope it must be clear. Now we proceed to the summary of packing. Okay, as we have already completed it, now we proceed to the summary of packing. So before it, let's give a theme of the story. Okay, here in this story, packing, the author is Zerom K. Zoram. Actually, it is an extract taken from the novel Three Man in a Boat. ये पैकिंग की स्टोरी जो है ये एक एक्सट्रैक्ट है जो एक नोवेल थ्री मैन इन ए बोट से ली गई है. And here in the story packing, the author tells that we should plan and prepare before starting any journey. We should never leave any task on others or take any tasks to be very lightly. Because in the journey of life, we might have to face some complex situations. Packing is not a difficult task, but in this chapter, it creates lot of mess because there was no proper planning. So this is the theme of the story. Okay, if any question will come regarding the theme, you can write off your own words in this manner. Now, let us give some short summary about it. So, as I told you that this is an extract from the novel Three Man in a Boat. Remember this one. The author and his friends, George and Harris, were going for an holiday trip. Zero offers to do packing. The other two people, yes, George and Harris, to sit and relax, doing nothing, sitting on an easy chair, light up the cigar, and like that they are feeling very comfortable. The actual intention of Zero was only to supervise the packing. He would understand that he will be boss over them. वो इस बार चाहता था कि वो पैकिंग करें दोनों फ्रेंड्स और वो उनका बॉस बने ताकि वो उनको इंस्ट्रक्ट करे हाउ टू पैक द बैग्स. So he wanted to give instructions and not to do it by himself this time. But he saw that the two friends, George and Harris, they are not intended to do it. So what happened? This make Zero irritated. जब वो देखता था कि उसके सामने वाला पर्सन काम नहीं कर रहा है, रिलैक्स फील करता है और जरा खुद काम कर जाता है, so this make him very uncomfortable. उसे बहुत बुरा लगता है और इरिटेट हो जाता है, उसको उसकी हैबिट है जरूर की ये चीज। तो जब भी वो देखता था कि उसके फ्रेंड्स काम नहीं करते हैं, बहुत हर चीज को बहुत लाइटली लेते हैं और सारा वर्क जेरोम करता है, तो एट दैट टाइम मेंटली थोड़ा सा वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है। The process here in the story proved to be very long and tiring. Things were packed, removed, forgotten. Understood? The packing thing, I'm just giving you a short summary, that's it. I'm not going to a detailed one, you just go through because I have already taught the lesson very detailed. So this is only a short summary to remind you some of the few points of the chapter. So things, whatever the things they are going to pack, that is packed, but also remove once. Then some things are forgotten to put it inside the bag. The whole packing was clumsy and efforts. Whole packing mismanaged, pura mess of it. The two friends now decide to take over the process of packing of food articles. दोनों friends ने कहा okay, we will pack the food items into the basket. The confusion worsened. Things break, get lost, misplaced, and forgotten. After that, so means in the story we have seen that the two friends, George and Harris, they were the worst packer in the world. It is considered by Jerome also. Jerome का ये विचार था कि सबसे बुरे packers हैं. They are the worst packer, right? Now, the entry of the pet dog named Montmorency. Entry added fuel to fire. Montmorency dog की एंट्री ऐसी हुई जैसे कि आग में घी डालने का काम। इतना तो वैसे ही बहुत क्लमजीनेस हो रहा था और Montmorency के एंटर होने से और ज्यादा प्रॉब्लमेटिक स्टार्ट। He increasing the exciting. He was exciting to put make the people mad. से अच्छा लगता है people को disturb करना because dog is that उनमें ऐसी होती है आदत होती है कि वो इस तरह से प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है। Finally, after that, on the whole, at last the packing was over, completed, and they retired. Now the another sequence come about argument before sleeping was that when they would get up in the next morning, because next morning they have to go for the holiday trip. So one more question arises that when they will get up. So at last they decided that they will woke up at 6:30 a.m. Okay. So this is the summary of both the chapter number 6 and chapter number 7. That is my childhood and packing. I told you the theme also. You can able to write up your own also. If any questions will come related to both the chapters, moral of the story, or what message did you get from the story, you can write up your own. Try to frame of your own sentence so that you can able to do whatever the questions will come in between the chapters. You can able to do it. So this is there. This is the short summary of both the poem, My Childhood and Packing. I hope it must be clear to you, isn't it? So that you can able to attempt